Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In today's tutorial we're going to go back to looking at a custom command, and we're also going to continue looking at the transport controls. So let's see how it differs using the transport controls in a custom command versus just a standard script. To do that, we're going to learn how to play, pause, and stop the timeline from a custom command, as well as add markers the same as we did in the script in the previous tutorial. So let's get started. If you go back to our custom command playlist, you can see where we got to this point. The only thing that I have done at this point is I now have a play, pause, stop, and set marker tab on the My Tab 1, and then under My Tab 1 we have the click controls down here. So under the play command we have myvegas.transport.play. Under the pause button, we have myvegas.transport.pause, and then under the stop button, we have myvegas.transport.stop. Now, since this does not actually change the timeline, we do not use the undo block. We do not need that. But for the marker one, this one right here, the set marker, now on this one, we do have to use the undo block. And so I am calling this add marker, and so we use the using undo block, undo equals new undo block, and then we have all of the code inside the parentheses. The first thing we do is get the cursor position the same as we did last time, and so we get that from myvegas.transport, and this time we want to make sure we get the play cursor position. If we just get the cursor position, that's going to be where the cursor was when it started playing. So it doesn't update as the cursor is moving down the timeline. If we get the play cursor position, it's going to get the current position where it is actually playing at. Then we're going to create a new marker, and we're going to put it at that cursor position, and we're going to name it the position as the time code as a string, and then we need to add that marker to the timeline. So we go to the project markers.add, and we add that new marker. Now we have to compile this, and then we copy the compiled version over into my documents / Vegas application extensions, and then we can start Vegas. And here I have added a long clip to the timeline. To start the extension, we go to View, Extensions, and we're going to open up My Test Custom Command. And here is the play, pause, stop, and set marker buttons. So when we push play, it starts playing. When we push stop, notice it returned back to the original location at 2:01:24. If we push play, and then we push pause, notice it stays at the cursor location. So this will let you pause it at the current location. Stop will take it back to the original starting point. When we push set marker, we will see that it does add a marker at the cursor location. But now let's play it. That will set marker. Set marker. Set marker. So as you can see, setting the markers from the custom command is a really smooth process, and it will just get the current cursor location by using the play cursor location, and then that is where it will place the marker. So as you can see, using the custom command is really much more efficient than using it in a script. So these transport controls work really well in a custom command, and you can see that the markers were just added as you push them, and that will let you do things on the fly that you normally wouldn't be able to do just running a script. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in the future. We may take a few weeks break here, I don't know. It's getting kind of busy around here, and I would really like to know what you'd like to see in the new tutorials. So let me know what you'd like to see, and we'll try to give you what you want to know. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.